What is going on, guys? Welcome to the show today. We are going to be finishing up our brand new mini trike gas build with the Predator Ghost engine. And in this episode, you guys are going to see from start to finish what assembly looks like on one of these mini trikes.
With this frame here, you can see that the top tube is a little bit different on this frame. So we had to get some extra height out of it to clear the valve cover of the Ghost. It's also stretched 4 inches in the rear. So everything is the same geometry-wise up here, and then everything here has just been stretched 4 inches. The game plan behind doing that is we wanted to have it be a little bit more comfortable and just
not
try
flip
to,
over so easily.
Just try to combat the wheelie. I never thought I'd have to build a machine that was the biggest thought of trying not to flip over. Everything's pretty much the same, so except all the stuff I just listed isn't the same.
You think we're gonna be ripping this thing tonight?
Oh, definitely. 100%. You can put that on record. 7:24. Oh yeah, we're wheels up by 3 a.m.
3 a.m.?
I mean, technically that's tomorrow, but
You got to 11:59 tonight, guy.
can they do it?
Yeah.
There's tire to burn, gas to freaking put in the tank.
That was a good try.
Let's build this trike. What is the first step?
I thought you knew!
Drop the motor in, I don't care.
Oh, drop the motor and that'll give it the most cheese off factor.
Should I go get the engine crane, the hoist?
That would be hilarious.
So if you look over here, we got our capacities. We got 2 ton, 1.5 ton, 1 ton, and half ton. We're gonna use the half ton. So I think this thing weighs what? I don't know, 200-300 pounds.
Don't drop that thing, man.
Okay, so now we got the engine lift in there to get this thing set in.
So what was the point of putting that on the engine hoist, Ben?
Just pretty much to get it lifted into position. So
Thumbnail or Instagram photo.
yeah, I mean it's pretty heavy. Sound like you're on a tow truck. So we got the motor set in here. We're gonna get the front fork put together, get the tire on, get the axle in, get the spacers cut in the front.
It's going together quicker than I thought.
God, we're gonna be wheels up here in no time.
I mean, is that the same as belly up? Like a dead fish? Wheel up. Wheels up is bad.
Yeah.
Wheel up. Nice.
Got 3 Yugga Duggas if you're gonna ask the torque.
I was gonna say, what's the torque spec?
Now we're getting the axle, wheel. We're gonna measure for our spacers. It's a call eyeballing it.
I can't believe we're already on our 3rd build.
Tell you what, man, things just been going crazy. These things have been flying off the shelf on our 3rd build. 4, 5, 6, they're all coming up.
Man, it's still got the freaking tag on her.
Yeah, Uncle Donald showed me that one.
Shout out to you, Uncle Don.
Yeah, you're gonna be real cheesed off whenever you feel how comfy this one is compared to the other one.
What set of pro tapers are those, Ben?
These are the 7/8 ATV highs.
Apparently those aren't high enough because he's got risers on them.
man.
That's the second time I've made that joke,
Yeah,
but
I mean,
people might not have seen the first video.
Yeah.
Not high enough, guys. Pro taper, step your game up.
All this stuff needs to go on our Patreon.
Oh, dude, I was thinking like we put all the trash talk on like something else, like a whole nother channel, Trash Talk the Garage Vlog. All right, what's up next, Ben?
Putting the axle bearings in, then we're gonna put all of our brake hub, brake rotor, sprocket hub, sprocket, all that stuff on.
What are you using there, Ben?
It's a Milwaukee electric ratchet. Actually, a full review on the channel of that.
That was back before.
That was back when I was allowed to post whatever I wanted on my channel.
Ben's not allowed to post whatever he wants anymore. We'll still leave those videos on, so you can see where you came from.
Thanks. What do you think? Speed sprocket or torque sprocket? We're going speed sprocket. I wasn't asking your opinion.
Oh, I was really thinking about it.
Yeah. I saw you really thinking. I just wanted to shut you off there if you burned up too much brain power.
Oh, thanks. So if you guys haven't seen our other videos, we've actually built 2 of these already that were electric. This is our first gas-powered one, and the other ones have been kind of some tests, so we're testing with this frame to see a little bit stretched, a little bit longer. The other ones are really short, kind of interesting to ride if you're not used to something like that, especially with how torquey they are with those electric motors and whatnot. But this is our first attempt at a gas-powered.
So you want to have a shaft collar on each side of your hub. That way the key stock can't just fall out if your set screw would come loose. Like this one doesn't even have a set screw, it's got a clamp. So
Man,
tech tip of the day. You
really
know?
giving people info. Just hit 4K.
Did we?
Oh, 4001. So this is a hydraulic disc brake setup that we're putting on this thing, right?
Yeah, this is literally the best one I've used. Just, it works amazing.
Well, that's the same one from the other mini bikes, right?
Yeah.
Mini trikes. In the other like videos, you've seen them just lock it up and like you can do those power slides.
Yeah.
How many pistons are these?
That'd
8?
be a single.
8? Oh,
Yeah, single.
I feel like this video's been too serious. Need more comedic relief.
It has been very serious.
It's not our usual like some kind of joke and then cackling.
Yeah. So I'll tell you what, ghost trikes are no joke. They are a serious matter. You start joking around, ankles get snapped, freaking people go down.
You're losing a leg. All right, so Ben is finishing up getting the back rotor on. What are you slipping in there right now, Ben?
Got some key stock there to secure the rotor. I'll put a shaft collar here and here so it captures it where it can't move. The set screws will hold it. I'll put 2 more out here to kind of make the hub so it can't slide back.
So we just got the gas tank mounted, not completely in place. I got the seat mounted though, hard in place. Ben's finishing up the rear axle, the brakes. What are you doing right now, Ben? Putting the
hubs on here.
hubs on, then it's going to be tires on? You
We'll
do the chain first.
Do the chain, mount the end, tighten down the engine.
Things are chugging along. It's only, what, 10:20 right now, Ben?
10:20.
An hour and 40 minutes to make our midnight deadline. Can we do it? So I got some brand new grips here that we're going to be throwing on, getting this thing ready to rock and roll. We just went poof, right into the camera. And we both just go like this. This thing looks insane.
Does it?
Yeah.
I don't know, you want to sit on it?
No.
Huh?
No, we should wait. All right, so Ben is getting ready to cut the chain here. We're measuring just to see how long it needs to be. If you've seen our other videos, this is a very crucial moment in the build. All right, guys, it is 11:50. I'm actually kind of surprised how fast this went together.
I could tell whenever I said, we'll have this done before the end
3.
of today. And I just saw that look in your eye of like, not happening. And,
I thought you were gonna say it's gonna happen.
No, I just saw that look of doubt.
Oh, also, this exhaust is on backwards.
Because
We know it is because science. All right, guys, it is 12 o'clock. We are buttoning this thing up. It's gonna be ready to rock and roll. Let's just give you a quick overview of what we've done tonight. We've built a mini trike. So, from literally scratch, frame to this, and I have to look at the timestamps, but I don't even know. Couple hours? 3 hours? So it's time to get it on the ground, get it fueled up, and see if it's gonna fire up for the very first time on the mini trike. Favorite part's this little fuel filter.
Yeah.
It's pretty neat.
Thanks, man.
This is a big moment here in the garage vlog history. Our first gas build. You know how many people were like, "Oh, you guys make a gas one." It would take other people 6 months to develop, plan, build one, get in the Ghost.
I said we'll do it.
Literally, six days later. Really freaking hustling that over there. You okay? Don't lose it. You didn't water test this first? You're probably good. You're good. You're good.
Think?
Yeah, it's coming up the top. You tighten this thing down. Nice. You got it on.
Oh, man.
Give her a grab.
Hit the streets.
All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe so you guys can see the next video that we're gonna go film right now. Ripping some shits.
Can you say that on here?
I'll just bleep it out. Go ripping this thing around. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe.
Wow, you're all
Make
freaking...
sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one real soon. Peace. Thanks for all you guys that said that we won.